cat pose. To get into cat pose, we start in tabletop. So come to all fours. Our knees are hip width apart, directly in line with our hips. Our hands are shoulder width apart, directly underneath our shoulders. Our fingers are spread wide. On an exhale, we're going to press down firmly into the ground, and we're going to arch our back up towards the sky, drawing in that belly. Head is lowered, chin tucked towards the chest. Our shoulders are pulled apart and away from one another, and tailbone is reaching for the ground. Then on an inhale, we return to neutral tabletop. And that's cat pose.